Complete adhesion, wrinkle, glue opening, is the effect unstable? If the paper laminating machine you are currently using also encounters these problems, it is necessary to replace it. Not only does it slow down efficiency, but it is also a waste of resources. Fengchi's fully automatic high-speed laminating machine can easily and freely handle the lamination of various products. Self-developed patented leading-edge system, specially for large-sized corrugated board, deformed, warped corrugated papers. Digital automatic glue adjustment system and bottom paper height adjustment system ensure the glue consumption precisely controlled. The high-precision stainless steel anilox gluing roller with grinding surface matched with a 65-degree PU rubber roller to make the glue uniform and coat evenly. Enlarged rollers in diameter 150 mm with double bearings for more stable. In addition, special designed conveyor belt vastly increase contact area and more uniform pressure distribution to ensure good laminating, no blistering, no wrinkles and no flute crush issues.